Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute, I know, but I'm still here. I'm still packing bags and I have a Kerikit unboxing to share with you today, so I will get to that in a minute. But inside that package is the brand new vegan leather amber backpack, which if you've watched any of my other videos, I love the amber backpack. I have owned it in multiple colors. Currently I own it in this beautiful warm taupe shade, which takes on like a mauviness that is just so on point for the colors that I love and enjoy. And so along with the unboxing, I am also going to be comparing the vegan leather amber that is inside that box to this one, which is the full leather amber, so that you can kind of see what the differences are and which one may be right for you. There are also some other goodies in there. I'm so excited to share it with you. So let me change my camera angle and we'll get right to it. So here is the box. It is quite large. And what I typically do when I order it is I go in with a few friends who also enjoy Kerikit, because it does come from across the pond, and if you don't have a large enough order, shipping is very expensive. So I always try to reach that free shipping option when I order, or I just wait to order, because it's already an investment when you're buying quality, and then paying for shipping on top of that, coming all the way from Britain, can be a little bit prohibitive. So some of these items aren't mine. This is a tassel for one of my friends for her midi joy. So I have a tassel here. I did grab another one of these little accessory cases. This is fantastic if you have kids and you're packing like Nutri-Grain bars or granola bars or things that easily get crushed inside your bag. They fit really well inside that case, and then they don't get crushed, which is amazing. It's also good for sunglasses or lipsticks or things of that nature that you want to carry with you. And then I do have another tassel for my friend here for one of her Kerikit bags that she has. And then we get to the good stuff. So before I do amber, which is right here, I can tell by the shape, I have been waiting to try this bag, and I am so excited about it. I can barely contain myself, because as soon as I saw it revealed, I was like, this is my vibe right now for the ages my kids are and everything I need to carry during the week. Look at this bag. This is the Vanessa. It's technically, she calls it a bum bag, which I think is so cute. We would call it a belt bag here in the USA, but this is the warm gray color. This bag is called the Vanessa, and it is oversized, and I am here for it. I envision myself wearing, yes, like, look at, I mean, it is stuffed. So once I take all of the stuffing out, it will form to my body better. But look at how cute that is. I love that. I love it. I love it. Give me a good oversized jean jacket, and I am good to go. Okay, now let's do amber. With each bag, you do get these wet bags, which are really nice for when you're traveling. And then here is Amber. Look at her. So right off the bat, she is so soft. Like, she feels like actual butter. I don't know how that was able to be accomplished in a vegan leather bag. Like, it feels so soft. Like, I don't understand how it feels so soft. Like, look at this. Like, it's just like soft and buttery, and this is fully stuffed. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's compare the two, because there are a few key differences that I think are important to note when you're choosing between the leather and the vegan. So let me grab my leather version. So here they are. And you can see that obviously they're the same bag, but what's mainly different is on the back. So when I go to the back of this vegan leather and the back of my leather, you get the same zip pocket on this side and the same zip pocket here. On the leather, you have two straps that serve as a way to put it over your luggage. On the vegan leather, you have a magnetic slip pocket back here with a zipper at the bottom so that you can use this as a luggage pass-through. And what you don't have is this long zipper pocket that exists on the Leather Joy. On the vegan, that doesn't exist, because it was replaced with this slip pocket, and I actually think I like this better, because this, if you've watched my other videos, a lot of times I'll slip play packs or things like that, activities for my children in here, and I can do that in here, but I don't know, I kind of like this better. I think it's a little cleaner on the back of the bag, not to have those two straps going across, but we didn't lose any functionality at all, because we can still use this to slide over the handle of our rollerboard luggage, which is huge. Okay, so on the inside, I believe everything's the same. So you get the front pocket here, and it's exactly, actually it's different. So this front pocket here is the same as if you had a color previous to warm taupe. Your front pocket would have looked like this. You got 2 pen loops, this stretchy pocket, and like a set of card holders, where in this one you have 1 pen loop, 1 card holder, and the stretchy pocket. So they are a little bit different there. And then let me just open up. I cannot believe how soft this leather is. Like, it's kind of blowing my mind that this is vegan. I am very picky when it comes to vegan leather. They are not all created equal. I don't want to buy a vegan leather product that's only going to last me a year, and I find that is the flaw in the industry. Is it's been challenging to find a vegan leather that is eco-conscious but is yet durable and will last you more than a year. So I am anxious to see, as people start using this bag, how they feel about the vegan. But just off of first touch, I mean, it is hands down the softest vegan leather I have ever felt. So the inside is exactly the same. You have a laptop sleeve here or an iPad sleeve that also has a snap, so that can be used as 2 pockets. You have a zipper pocket at the top here. You have your key fob here. You have 2 slip pockets in the front of the bag and 1 on each side wall of the bag. So that is it. That's how they compare. This one is the vegan. This one is the leather. I think that this is just gonna it's just gonna slouch and puddle beautifully. And the other thing I have to say is these backpack straps. I mean, I have always loved Amber for the backpack straps, but typically on a vegan leather bag, you either have a leather strap, like that's just a band of leather, or you have a seatbelt strap, which neither one of them, in my opinion, are very comfortable. On this bag, I don't know what she puts in these straps, but they are so cushy that I really appreciate that, because these are going to be so comfortable and wear beautifully. So that's it for this video. I don't really plan on packing this up for you because I'm going to pack her the same way I have in the other videos of my channel of this bag. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe, like, ring the bell, all of the things. I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.